Okay? So there are three sections to story: beginning, middle, and end. When you are writing a story, you have to think about beginning, middle, and an end. The tricky part is that the three sections of a story are not equal in size. So if you are watching a movie that is 3 hours long, the beginning is not the first hour, the middle is not the second hour, and the ending is not the third hour. The beginning, okay, is the exposition, and it's usually the second shortest segment of a story. I would say on average, if we're talking about a 90-minute movie, right? Typically, movies are 90 minutes long, 6 film reels. Most comedies are about 90 to 95 minutes, okay? The exposition is going to be anywhere from 1 minute to 9 minutes. The end of the beginning is the inciting incident, okay? And that incident is the catalyst for all the other shenanigans that happens in the film. The second section of story is the middle, okay? The middle is the longest section of a story, okay? In a 90-minute movie, right, you have this middle section that is approximately 60 minutes long, okay? 1 hour. And this is where you see the events of the characters unfold on screen, okay? And there are different plot points, different important events that will occur that we call the rising action. Generally in a film, a well-made film, the suspense stacks up, right? And that all leads to the climactic moment, and that is the ending, right? The resolution. And the ending, the resolution, is usually the shortest part of the story. 1 to 3 minutes long. Okay, in today's film, I mean, the film is going to depict a couple who are secretly in love with each other, but they don't want the other partner to win, okay? And so they keep one-upping each other and challenging each other. It's the same content as any romantic comedy. But I guarantee you have not seen it done the way Leo McCarey did it in this film, right? This is the kind of classic cinema that like will endure because somebody got it right 85 years ago.